Yes, hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Excuse me. So in this tutorial we are going to be looking at the top cover for the silage making machine. Please, if you're new here, consider subscribing for more important tutorials. Yeah, I'll start with the top, and it's made of a simple basic rectangle that's measuring 4771 by 406. Remember, these are millimeters. Yeah, so we are going to extrude this. Actually, we shall use sheet metal and give it a body. It is 2 millimeters. Just like that. From here, we shall use the edge flange at all the 4 sides, and this will go deep or below by 149 millimeters, like that. So the 2 sides will have two flanges that are measuring 24. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna change something. Yeah, the edge flange on this one. They're measuring 24 millimeters. Yeah, so to make this normal, I'll come and do simple construction line, and I'm going to draw some circles for now mounting or locking for this purpose. Yeah, so we have 10 millimeters diameter, 10 millimeters, 10 millimeters, then distances between the 2 holes. Oops, actually this hole is not centered, so I should delete it. I've just realized. So from here up to the edge, I have 61.25. Then from here, you have 265 millimeters. Yeah, so going to make a line here, and this line is going to be used as a mirror to mirror this and that onto the other side. So I'm going to extrude cut like that. Yeah. So before this, let me do some evaluation. Okay. Yeah, I think we are on the right track. So I'm going to make a very simple plane using this, and I'm going to flip it through 85 millimeters on the other side, and I say okay. So can come here and drag for visibility, and you can also do Ctrl 8 for a normal view, just like that. So what I'm going to do basically is to do a simple sketch that is going to mount my item. Give this 22 millimeters. Then from that, I'll use a midpoint line. So I think now people can appreciate the importance of the midpoint line. It's one of my favorite lines right now. Yeah, because it makes life easy. Yep. So yeah, so here we have 13.5, same as this, 13.5. Then I'm going to do some tangent arcs. Okay, it's only one. You have M10. Yeah, so I'm going to extrude it through 10 millimeters. Going in. Okay. Yeah, like this. So I'm going to create another plane using this as the reference. Then that, so that I can mirror this feature to that other side, just like this. Oops, oops, oops. Yeah, so there we are. The next part is going to be extruding, actually using sheet metal. to do another edge flange. On this other side, and it's measuring 104 millimeters. Yes, so thank you so much. This is it for the top part. Please keep around for more videos, and if you're new, consider subscribing as more videos are coming.